My name's Moses Obimbo Madadi. I'm a clinician-scientist and an associate professor at the University of Nairobi, the current head of human anatomy and medical physiology in the Faculty of Health Sciences. Vaginal infections, both asymptomatic and symptomatic vaginal infections, are a big cause of adverse pregnancy outcomes. My experience as a clinician, I've seen so many infections within the clinical setup, and we do not have sufficient tools to pick these infections in good time and to be able to treat. And this is really what inspired me to go into this particular direction of research. Many women affected, about 73%, are symptomatic and then do not know they have infections. The infections are a global problem, but particularly in Africa, where these infections are present and they are hardly ever addressed. With this particular funding, we intend to meet 4 main goals. The first is to work with a cohort of women in 4 hospitals in Nairobi and 2 other hospitals out of Nairobi. We'll be able to collect samples, vaginal swabs, that we can be able to analyze vaginal microbial population with the microbiome. We'll also be able to study the metabolomic profiles, and with this information, clinical data, and the microbiome metabolomic information, we create a predictive model through an artificial intelligence assisted predictive and machine learning model to be able to pick women at risk of vaginal infections and adverse pregnancy outcomes early enough. So with this research, there are quite a number of things that will come out. First of all, we'll be able to strengthen our capacity in scientific research by using new models, multi-omic technologies, precision medicine, and also training in computational biology. The other very important impact is to affect an impact on policy, where we intend to suggest that women during pregnancy should be able to undergo vaginal health screening as part of good pregnancy care and also as part of preventing adverse pregnancy outcomes. We'll be able to address the challenges related to the infections through getting to know the microbiome population and also the metabolomic profiles of these particular women that can result in good diagnostic tools and possibly in future good interventions that can help this particular group of women.